Yay!
Hi, I'm Poppy. Today let's discuss about action verbs. Let's look at the 20 most common action verbs in the English language. Part 1. The first one is writing. Writing. The next is reading. Reading. Another familiar action verb is studying. Studying. Next is drawing. Drawing. Moving on, we have painting. Painting. The next action verb is dancing. Dancing. Next is singing. Singing. The next action verb on our list is listening. Listening. Moving on, there's swimming. Swimming. Another action verb is floating. Floating. Next is talking. Talking. The next action verb on our list is very similar to talking. It's chatting. Chatting. Next is working. Working. Moving on, we have teaching. Teaching. The next action verb is jumping. Jumping. The next one is climbing. Climbing. The next action verb on our list is cooking. Cooking. And the next is baking. Baking. Then we have washing. Washing. And the last action verb on our list for the day is cleaning. Cleaning. And with that, it also brings us to the end of this lesson. Thank you so much for joining in today. And I hope you also join us on other fun adventures by checking out the other videos on our channel. You can find the links available in the description box below. You did a great job today. See you very soon. Bye-bye for now. And if you like our videos, be sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, Peach Peanut Poppy.